Hi everyone, it's Teacher Jen again from InWorld School. Welcome to your class. Today we are in a house. House. This is the living room. Living room. This is the dining room. Dining room. This is the kitchen. Kitchen. This is a bedroom. Bedroom. This is a bathroom. Bathroom. This is a laundry room. Laundry room. In the bedroom. Bed. Bed. Desk. Desk. Chair. Chair. In the living room. Sofa. Sofa. TV. TV. Lamp. Lamp. In the bathroom. Bathtub. Bathtub. Toilet. Toilet. Sink. Sink. In the kitchen. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Microwave. Microwave. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. In the dining room. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Spoon. Spoon. Plate. Plate. Cup. Cup. Napkin. Napkin. These are the rooms in the house. Living room. Living room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Dining room. Dining room. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Laundry room. Laundry room. Where do you brush your teeth? Where do you brush your teeth? Living room? Kitchen? Bedroom? Bathroom? Bathroom. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? Living room? Kitchen? Bedroom? Bathroom? Bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom. Where do you cook? Where do you cook? Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Kitchen, kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. Where do you watch TV? Where do you watch TV? Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Living room, living room. I watch TV in the living room. Where do you read? Where do you read? Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Bedroom, bedroom. I read in the bedroom. Where do you take a shower? Where do you take a shower? Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Bathroom, bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. This is a table. This is a table. This is a chair. This is a chair. This is a toilet. This is a toilet. This is a fork. This is a fork. There is a lamp in the living room. There is a lamp in the living room. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a tub in the bathroom. There is a tub in the bathroom. There are chairs in the dining room. There are chairs in the dining room.